Are you English?
No, no, no.
Where are you from?
From the Netherlands.
From Netherlands?
Yes, sir.
Okay, lovely. So please explain to me, and you are ethnically
Dutch. Yeah.
You're Dutch, yeah. So okay, so please explain. So, are you aware of the fact that the entire Islamic origin is a cock and bull story? Are you aware of this?
That's your opinion.
No, I'm asking you. Are you aware of
No,
this?
it's your opinion.
Can you show me any of the building blocks of Islam from the
I can't show
Quran?
you anything.
You can't show me anything.
No.
And why are you Muslim then? If you can't show me anything, why are you Muslim?
That's a good question.
Yeah.
To
Is
which
that
I know
what?
the answer.
What's that?
To which I know the answer.
Please explain.
It's very simple.
Yeah.
There is one God.
Despite this being a cock and bull story.
One God. Sorry.
Is that it?
That's it.
That's it?
Yes. That's the problem I have with Christianity.
No, there's no problem here. The only problem here? The only problem here is that you haven't progressed from your primary schooling.
Okay.
All that you're left with is, there's only one God and therefore you're a Muslim. This is
That's the
primitive.
basis. That's the basis.
Okay, please
That's-
explain to me. Are you saying to me, please clarify, are you saying to me that even if the origin account of Islam is a cock and bull story, you would still be a Muslim because you think there is one God?
I'm the wrong person to talk to
Why is that?
because I don't have the knowledge.
Well, if you don't have the knowledge, why are you Muslim?
I have. Okay. That's a good question. That's a good question.
Absolutely a very good question. This is what indoctrination does.
No, but I told you, there's one God.
No, that doesn't-
That's where we start.
Please, my
That's
friend,
it. We
what's
have
your
to
name?
start. You have to start there.
What's your name?
How many gods are there?
Look,
I'm asking you. How many gods?
please listen to me.
Answer me. How
Please,
many gods?
please listen to me.
Tell me.
Please listen to
Is
me.
that one or more?
Okay, now you're rambling on. Please, beating around the bush
It's just a question.
doesn't help.
It's just a question.
Please, it
Is that
doesn't.
one or more?
Look, your life is at stake. Your life is at stake.
Oh, yours is at stake, but
Absolutely, mine is at stake too.
So how many gods
And
are
so, let me ask you again: are you saying
I'm not
even
talking
if the Islamic narration, the origin account is a cock and bull story, you would still be a Muslim
yeah.
despite having no knowledge?
No, no, no.
Despite having,
same statements, he keeps repeating.
he has been having too much coffee.
Don't give him any attention.
Too much coffee. Too
Don't
much
give him
coffee.
any attention, please.
Yes.
He likes to stay around me. He doesn't want anyone else to stay around
I
me.
love you. You're very knowledgeable, and you know the truth.
It's true. He knows a lot.
Yeah,
Did you know?
come on,
You know a lot.
keeps
Please, please.
repeating the
More
same
than me.
statement.
May I,
You know
may
more
I,
than me.
may I please tell you? Please, may I please tell you? The entire origin story of Islam is cock and bull story.
That's not my problem.
It
My
is a problem.
is the two gods.
Let me ask you
Explain
this.
to me, explain to me,
You're
please.
clearly
Please,
indoctrinated.
please,
Let me ask you
please
this.
explain to me.
If Muhammad did
No, no,
not
no. I
exist,
don't wanna talk
would
about that.
Islam
Please,
be a valid
please
religion?
Talk to me about your three gods. If you can explain it to me,
I don't have
I'll
three
become a
gods.
Christian today.
Don't have three
Please
gods.
explain to me.
Okay.
Explain to me the Trinity, please,
Sure.
please. I don't understand it.
Triunity is one of the most beautiful things that elegantly brings out the nature of God.
Okay.
Only with a triune God, you can actually have a God who is. You need to listen right now.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Only with a triune God, you can actually have a God who is perfect even before he created anything. Only with a triune God, you can have a God who is love.
Okay.
Yeah, do you believe God being love is part of his perfection?
Well, you have to explain to me.
Please play
triune,
no, wow.
triune.
Please,
You
please.
said triune.
Are you
I don't understand
no,
triune.
please
Can you
listen to me.
explain
No. Do you appreciate God being love?
No, triune.
Do you appreciate God being
I just
love?
ask you, explain to
Now
me.
I know why you're a Muslim.
I just
Because
asked you, explain to
even
me.
you know,
Please
now I
explain
can
to
see
me.
why you're a Muslim.
What is triune? I don't
Even
understand.
when you don't have any answer
Okay.
nor any knowledge, you still have learned to argue and beat around the bush. So no wonder you're a Muslim.
I'm asking you.
I know you've asked me.
What is
I have
triune?
moved on right now.
No, but I don't understand it. I don't understand. What is triune?
What in triune don't you understand? Three
don't
persons.
understand. Yeah.
Please listen.
Yeah, okay.
Three persons, one God.
That doesn't make sense.
Explain.
I don't understand. How
you're
can
saying-
three be one? How?
So,
It's
do
either
you
one or three. I don't
do,
know.
do you understand?
We
Do
won.
you
We won?
1, 2,
do
3,
you
we're one.
do you understand mathematics?
Basic.
One body, one soul.
Basic. Are you aware of this thing called infinity?
Infinity? Okay, yes.
Yeah.
What?
What is infinity plus infinity plus infinity?
No, but you're talking about.
No,
three.
listen.
That's not
Look.
infinity, that's three.
Look. Either you listen and understand, or you beat around the bush and I move on.
Okay, explain to me. Explain to me.
Do you know?
No.
Maybe ask the youngsters if you don't know.
explain
Do
to
you
me.
know what infinity plus infinity plus
Tell me,
infinity
tell me,
is?
Tell me.
The answer is infinity.
Ah, okay.
Now it makes
But
sense.
what about three?
Now it makes
Let's
sense.
go back to three.
But no, it's not going back to three.
Yes, you said triune. 3 and 1. Please explain to me. I don't understand.
Okay.
I really don't understand.
Look,
3 in 1.
while I am speaking to you, I make a judgment call on whether you want to learn anything
I want to
or you
understand.
beat around the bush or not.
to understand.
And I go by my judgment. It doesn't matter what you say to me, I
then we
go
don't
by
need to
my
stop.
judgment.
That's not
So far, you do not come across as anyone who wants to have an intelligent
I want to
discourse.
understand.
So if you want to understand, you need to appreciate infinity plus infinity plus infinity is infinity. In other words, with an infinite being, you can have three persons coming together, each of whom is infinite, three persons coming together, yet being one infinite God. It's very, I know you're confused because you don't understand mathematics. But just say,
No, I don't understand.
you know,
the
you know,
3 in 1 thing.
you know what you should say? Next time when you talk about Trinity, you should just say, I haven't got the capacity to understand. Don't say it does not make sense. They are very different things. So my dear friends,
It's 1.
my dear friend, yeah. So if you had listened to me at all, you would have made progress there. Because you don't listen to me, you
God
don't.
is not supposed to die.
So you are here again. So you are going to help
God
us.
is not supposed to die, right?
So
No, answer my question. How can God die? How can God die?
hijrah from Mecca to
No.
Medina.
I'm-
What's the evidence in the
I don't
Quran?
know. I don't know.
No evidence.
I'm a typical average Muslim. Don't read.
Who is clueless, yet wants to stand here and disturb things. Typical average Muslim. Yeah, I agree. Is there a typical expert Muslim here?
Answer me. Enlighten
Happy?
me. You
Happy?
want me to become a Christian?
Happy?
Enlighten me.
Are you happy right now?
No, I'm not happy. Answer
Okay,
me.
cool. Yeah, I understand. If you're not a Christian, of course you won't be happy.
Yeah,